Discover the ultimate solution for sparkling clean windows with our selection of the best window cleaner robots. Effortlessly achieve streak-free shine and save time with these innovative gadgets. Designed for convenience, they navigate windows of all shapes and sizes with precision, leaving them spotless and gleaming. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best window cleaner robots you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the AlfaBot X8, the pinnacle of window cleaning robotics, ranked as the 5th best in its class. Designed to tackle glass surfaces with unparalleled efficiency, this sleek machine offers a myriad of features to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Equipped with dual water spray outlets, the AlfaBot X8 ensures thorough coverage in all directions, leaving no streak untouched. Its self-adjustable suction capability, ranging from 2600 to 2800 PA, effortlessly scales windows of varying thickness while eliminating stubborn stains with precision. Say goodbye to manual controls with the AlfaBot X8's intuitive remote control and smart voice assistant, simplifying operation and troubleshooting. With a visible 1.7-ounce water tank, you'll always stay informed of when a refill is needed, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Versatility is key with the AlfaBot X8, as it intelligently detects window frames, adapting seamlessly to framed or unframed glass. Choose from 3 auto-cleaning modes or take control with manual spot cleaning, guaranteeing tailored results every time. Enhanced cleaning pads ensure a flawless finish, leaving your windows sparkling without a hint of streaking. Priced competitively at $239 US. The Hutt W8 window cleaner robot stands out as the 4th best option in its category, offering advanced features at a reasonable price point of $359 US. Designed to elevate your cleaning experience, it boasts a dual spray system with a 2.7-ounce water tank, ensuring ample coverage for efficient wet wiping across various surfaces such as glass, tile, and marble. Equipped with Hutt Think AI technology, this robot adapts its suction power to the level of dirt, ranging from 1800 to 3800 PA, ensuring a secure grip without the risk of scratches. Its AI navigation system intelligently selects from 3 cleaning paths, including S-shaped, N-shaped, and spot wiping modes, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. Safety is paramount with the Hutt W8, featuring triple anti-falling protection, including laser sensors for detecting surfaces, a safety battery for power failure resilience, and a tangle-free safety rope for cleaning high-rise windows. Operational simplicity is another highlight, with one key easy operation accompanied by voice prompts. Backed by a 30-day free return policy and a 12-month warranty, the Hutt W8 offers peace of mind and exceptional cleaning performance for your home or office. Meet the Agorvio T6 Pro. Ranked as the 3rd best window cleaner robot, it revolutionizes window cleaning with cutting-edge features and intelligent design. Weighing 4.63 pounds, it's equipped with smart technology powered by a built-in chip, sensor, and intelligent algorithm, enabling automatic window cleaning. The brushless DC motor ensures a longer lifespan, reduced noise, and enhanced energy efficiency compared to traditional brush motors. For stubborn stains, an automatic water spray system with a built-in tank and ultrasonic atomizer delivers micron-level water droplets, effortlessly dissolving grime. Control is effortless with a 2.4G RF remote that easily traverses glass, furniture, and walls, offering omnidirectional access. Safety is paramount with features such as automatic vacuum suction stabilization, UPS power-off protection, and an anti-falling safety rope. Its super slim design at just 2.7 inches thick enables access to narrow spaces that conventional cleaners cannot reach. Versatility is key as it's not limited to glass. It effortlessly cleans all smooth, seamless surfaces including tiles and mirrors. Priced competitively at $179 US. Introducing the Tosima W2, Hailed as the #2 best window cleaner robot, a marvel of modern cleaning technology designed to revolutionize your window cleaning routine. Equipped with intelligent cleaning technology, the Tosima W2 boasts advanced sensors and AI 3.0 path planning, ensuring it navigates your windows with precision and efficiency. Its powerful suction motor and microfiber cleaning pads tackle dirt, dust, fingerprints, and smudges with ease, leaving your glass surfaces crystal clear. Versatility is key, with multiple cleaning modes catering to your specific needs, whether it's a quick touch-up or a thorough cleaning of high-rise windows. Safety features like anti-fall sensors and a secure attachment mechanism guarantee worry-free operation even on vertical surfaces. Simple to use and maintain. Just attach the robot to your window, select your preferred cleaning mode, and watch it work its magic while you relax. With removable and washable cleaning pads, upkeep is a breeze. Compatible with various glass surfaces and window sizes, the Tosima W2 is a versatile solution for all your window cleaning needs. Priced at a competitive $149, this robotic wonder promises to deliver sparkling, streak-free windows with minimal effort on your part. Say hello to the AlfaBot X8, the pinnacle of window cleaning innovation. Boasting patented dual ultrasonic spray nozzles and cutting-edge edge leakage sensors, this robot is set to revolutionize your cleaning routine. The ultrasonic spray nozzles ingeniously nebulize water into fine mist particles, mimicking the natural act of condensation on glass surfaces. This biomimicry-inspired design ensures impeccable cleaning results every time. Equipped with edge leakage sensors, the AlfaBot X8 glides effortlessly across any vertical surface with unparalleled precision. But the innovation doesn't stop there. With the creative voice function, personalize your cleaning experience by replacing default prompts with sounds of your choice, injecting a touch of fun and personality into your cleaning routine. Controlled via the intuitive AlfaBot app, stay updated with the latest firmware updates and effortlessly navigate through cleaning modes. Say goodbye to tedious pre-spraying. The AlfaBot X8 takes care of it all. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this robot features a sleek white design and comes with essential accessories including a microfiber cleaning cloth and safety rope for added peace of mind. Priced at $490, the AlfaBot X8 offers unparalleled convenience and performance, making it the ultimate choice for those seeking a hassle-free window cleaning solution. Much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.